Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the best strategy to use Cash App as a primary bank. Alright? So the best strategy to use Cash App as a primary bank is to treat Cash App with the same discipline as a traditional bank. Keep your profile fully verified and enable all security features to protect daily transactions. Use direct deposits for income, the Cash App card for spendings, and a linked bank for savings or backups. Monitor balance frequently and avoid storing large amounts for extended periods. Separate spending categories mentally or through notes, since Cash App does not offer full budgeting tools. Maintain a secondary bank account as a fallback for emergencies. Cash App works best as a lightweight banking solution when paired with careful money management and backup planning. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.